Hurricanes Harvey and Irma have affected thousands of Americans this past month.
Multiple deaths have been reported from both storms.
Tons of donations have been made, where our country still needs help.
We are Crazy Cow Studios, a small film group in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and we know you can help us with this cause.
We have started a GoFundMe page for those in need.
You can make a difference in many different ways.
And all proceeds will be sent to support and help rebuild communities.
Donations and spreading the word of our plan is greatly appreciated.
America.